I don't know about the original Little Master. As far as I know, it was Hanif Muhammad of Pakistan. He was the original Little Master. Nari contractor would probably agree with that. But really it is, once again, an absolute delight to see such a large gathering here for the CIAT Awards. These awards have been the hallmark of excellence. They have been recognizing excellence all over the world, not just restricted only to performances in India. The ratings are such that the objectivity is there. It's not done according to any subjectivity. The points are given for runs scored, wickets taken, catches held. So it is for the contributions that players have made to their team's success, as well as their own personal success that gets them the awards. But I think the most important aspect is there are a lot of commercial organizations who have awards ceremonies, etc. But CIAT is the only one that actually gives a financial reward along with the trophy, along with a lovely trophy. And that is something which is very rare, and that's why I think these awards are special. I've been very fortunate to be able to adjudicate for such a long time. In fact, the ratings are such that my job has become incredibly easy. And it's only when two players are separated by, say, maybe 5 points or so, that I have to actually come in and make a decision as to who is rated higher than the other. And that really hasn't happened for quite a bit. So it just actually tells you how good the ratings are. I'd like to not take too much of your time. Just want to say thank you to all for coming here, and to add my congratulations to the Mumbai Indians for a fabulous win yesterday. You made all of us Mumbaiites very proud. Being in the commentary situation, we always try our very best to be neutral, but it's not always possible. We try and avoid saying we should be doing this. We keep saying Mumbai Indians should be doing this, but in our heart of hearts, we wanted Mumbai to win, and I'm so happy that you all have done that. I understand that you have a function to go to as well, a very well-deserved one. Big felicitation, and I'm sure that is going to be fantastic this evening. But before that, enjoy yourself over here, and once again, many, many congratulations.
Thanks, Anna.